Why it's important to have a morning routine. Starting your day off right can set the tone for the rest of your day. That's why having a morning routine can be so beneficial. In this episode, we'll explore the benefits of having a morning routine, how to create one, and tips for maintaining it. Benefits of having a morning routine. There are many benefits to having a morning routine, including increased productivity throughout the day, improved mental health and reduced stress levels, better physical health through exercise and healthy breakfast choices, increased time for self-care and mindfulness practices. So how can you create a morning routine? Creating a morning routine is simple and can be tailored to fit your needs. Here are some steps to get started. 1. Determine your goals. What do you hope to achieve with your morning routine? Do you want to exercise, meditate, or simply have a quiet cup of coffee before starting your day? Determine your goals and make them a priority. Set a wake-up time. Set a consistent wake-up time that allows you enough time to complete your morning routine before starting your day. Hydrate and exercise. Start your day with a glass of water and some light exercise, such as stretching or a quick yoga routine. Plan your breakfast. Plan a healthy breakfast that provides the energy and nutrients you need to start your day. Practice mindfulness or meditation. Incorporate mindfulness or meditation practices into your morning routine to reduce stress and improve mental clarity. Maintaining a morning routine can be challenging. In order to do so, here are some tips to help you stay on track. Start small. Start with a simple routine and gradually add more activities over time. Be consistent. Stick to your routine, even on weekends or days off, even when you are not feeling like doing it. Especially whenever you don't feel like doing it. Use a morning routine tracker. Use a tracker or planner to keep track of your progress and hold yourself accountable. Creating a morning routine can have a positive impact on your overall health and well-being. By following these tips, you can create a routine that works for you and enjoy the benefits of a productive and peaceful start to your day.